the double-legger. At a jungle waterfall, two rivals are sizing each other up. A black-spotted rock frog has secured a prime feeding position. But a gang of bigger Saba splash frogs are after his spot. Normally, a sharp call would tell them to back off. Next to a waterfall, it's hard to make yourself heard. So they use a secret sign language. They wave at each other. But the bigger splash frog has a special move. The double-legger. And when neither of them back down, there's only one way to settle things. This time, there is no winner.